Hello everyone, Sam is from myforestmagicwave.com, making this a small video about some of those trades between Monday and Tuesday today. This week, such a beautiful start, fantastic start, lots of beautiful setups and trades. Huge volatility we have right now going on, and maybe the rest of the week is going to be like that. So let's see. Start of the week, Sunday, 31st. So as soon as the market opened up, Aussie started acting, and Aussie dollar was gaining, getting strong, and it's still getting strong. And but it has reached to the target. The target was this, and you can see now we're touching it and pulling back a little bit from this 41.41 and this trend line. So this is Aussie index weekly chart, by the way. So we went all the way up, and now it's probably is time to pull back a little bit. But going to the upside, the Aussie dollar was getting strong, and a lot of especially like Euro Aussie, Pound Aussie was going down. Aussie Yen, Aussie USD, they were going up. So let's take a look. When market opened up on the 31st, Sunday, this was a Euro Aussie. This is because of the Aussie strength. Okay, so beautiful short setup, and boom, all the way down 140 pip. Huge volatility I'm talking about. Pound Aussie did the same thing. Boom, all the way 100 pip on 31st, by the way, right? And then here comes Monday. Look, this is Pound USD on the 1st of June. It's Monday, 140 pip long. By the way, Pound was getting. I was expecting Pound strength. Let me see if I can get you there. Where were those things? See, I was expecting Pound. I get. Oh no, that's a template here. Stupido. This is the chart I made that the pound is going to go up and get strong, right? Going up, pound index. And what happened so far? As of today, pound went up. It's still messing around here somewhere. So because of pound strength, pound yen, pound USD, and some of the other pound pair went up also. Where was I? Okay, hold on. Let me go get back there. All right, so this was pound USD because of the pound strength, it went up, right? And also USD is getting weaker badly. Aussie strong, USD weak. What happened to Aussie USD? Goes up. Here's entry here on the 1st and 90 pip, and then I have more later on. Let me just move on to this. And on the 1st, pound yen, beautiful long entry, buy order here, and you can see all the way to 130 pip. Now on the 1st, and then this is another one on the 1st because of the Aussie weakness, not Aussie, I mean USD, and went all the way down. And then the Canadian dollar is getting strong as well. So right on the target, 35.65 for 140 pip. Like I said, big volatility going on right now. Aussie yen, this is the pair that it's amazing because what happened is that on both sides, Aussie was getting strong and yen is getting killed right now. Yen is getting very weak. So big imbalance in between these two currencies and 250 pip. Look at this. This was a trade as well before, but this one, buy the book entry and all the way. This is 2-day. The entry was on Monday and I closed the pair today on the 2nd. So 2-day worth of pip, but 250 pip in 2 days, not bad. Today as well, this one Euro yen, because of the yen, I just said the yen was getting weaker and still getting weaker, and sending all the yen pairs, they are all going up. All right, but I hit only Aussie yen, Euro yen, and pound yen. Like I said, pound yen from 7-minute chart, this is what it is. From here to here, that was from the other account, and then you will see another one coming in later. Pound USD again, small trade, but it was keep going, right? My first one was here, then beautiful entry here, and then keep going, baby. Here's the other one, pound yen. First one was here, second one from here, gone all the way, hitting 36.44. It went up more, but this is Around 100 pip is usually enough, but if it's going very fast to the upside, then I still hold, like, Aussie yen 250, right? Another Aussie yen, sorry, Aussie USD. This is the entry, right? My first entry was here, as you just saw. Then I closed it here somewhere, and then after that, from here again, 130 pip. Aussie was crazy. It's still, but we hit the target though. Now pound newsy all the way down, right? Now after this, couple of these trades are coming. I just closed them, and within a couple of hours, I got those pippage. Euro Aussie, pound Aussie. As soon as the market opened, Asian open, they went down big time, and I opened and closed. This is the one. Pound Aussie set from 7-minute chart, 120 pip. Right from there, boom. And Euro Aussie. Why? Because of the Aussie. Aussie dollar went up, hitting the target, giving me 130 there, 120 here. Euro Aussie, again, it dropped. Now they're going to make the turn to the upside later on. So these are like 15 trades already between Monday and Tuesday, Sunday, Monday, and Tuesday. And look at the amount of pippage here. So we have big volatilities. These pairs are really moving very, very big. And still more to come. Wednesday, Thursday, and Friday. I think Wednesday and Thursday are going to be more big days. So like I said, this one, just keep an eye on this one, Aussie dollar. Well, if you have the Aussie dollar index, a lot of people don't know about this and don't have it. But this is, you can get it from lightforest.com, and these indexes, and they really help, because if Aussie, I caught them that this is moving, this is going to the upside. So that means Aussie dollar, wherever it is involved, those pair will move. So literally you have multiple trades in hand. You got a multiple choice, right? How many Aussie pairs? Euro Aussie, pound Aussie, Aussie CAD, Aussie USD, Aussie yen, maybe more, 5, 6 pairs. They will all be moving, and then some more, some less, but you can get in wherever that, whichever gives you the nice good setup, and then easily pull a lot of pippage out of there. Similarly, if you look at the yen index, it is also going up, but yen index is the opposite. If it's going up, it gets weaker, right? So look how fast and furiously it is going to the upside, right? That was my target here, and we hit the target 53.38, and now probably it's gonna reverse. So this will now the yen is gonna get weaker, and Aussie is gonna get yen is gonna get strong, and Aussie gonna get weaker, and Aussie yen is gonna drop, and all the pairs like Euro Aussie, pound Aussie, they're gonna go up. So the whole the whole market is gonna be upside down very soon, in few hours maybe, or by maybe in early in London session or so. So be careful, okay? 53.30. Sorry, 53.19 is the one. If you go below that, even below 53.38, but be careful about this number, 53.19. And if you go below that, then we will probably going to be coming down here somewhere again. All right. So, and if not, if something goes wrong and my analysis of me may drop a little bit and then go up, hitting the TL to the upside. So it is, if then, this is why my strategy is so good, because I know that what's happening here, it was ranging, and all of a sudden it came out of the ranging and all the way hitting the these target. Still, I'm expecting that it might jump a little bit more to 53.61, but let's see if this is the area to make a turn. So let's see what happens. But like I said, yes, big trades, and it's only 2 days, right? Monday and Tuesday, and I have 15. My SL hit maybe 6-7 times, and every time it hits, it's like 25 pip. Not every time, because a lot of times what happens is that I make an entry, right, to go long, and it goes up, and I move my SL to maybe 10 or 5 pip risk, and then it comes back and hit me only for 5, 6 pip or 8 pip. So that's something like that. You gotta play smart with this market, right? So anyway, so these were the trades, and more to come tonight. So very busy market right now, and a lot more papers to come. So this is it for now. Thanks for watching and have a wonderful day. And by the way, if you are interested in getting the system, then you can go on my website here and then subscribe there, and I'll be sending you all the files and everything and help you out on the Skype to set up the charts and everything if you have any problem, and you can start learning. All right. So this is it for now. Thanks for watching and have a wonderful day.